Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was open, the birds began to sing. Oh, wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? Oh, the king was in his counting house, counting all his gold. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread so bold. The maid was in the garden, hanging up her clothes, when down swooped the blackbird and pecked at her nose. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner, eating his Christmas pie. He stuck in his